give. There is another lesson called share. This is different. This is give. Share is you're both benefiting because you're sharing your experience. It's kind of more about you. Giving is all about them. So now you're very far along in this process, in the 30-day challenge, the 30-day experiment. What can you give to someone, like a gift, from you, from your heart? Who would benefit from a gift? And when I say gift, here's the easiest thing that comes to mind. And you're going to say, this sounds like self-promotion. And it is. I'm not even going to deny it, because it's not. Because here's what I think would be fun to give. What if you give someone a spark of your energy? Give them the inspiration, the motivation to do something like what you've just done. You're almost done here. If you are anything like me, you have gained from this experience. This experience has ideally given you more than it's taken from you. So ideally, you have a surplus of whatever it is that you've been building up. Maybe it's energy, maybe it's confidence, maybe it's clarity, maybe it's courage. What have you built up in the past 20-something days that you can give? That there's a verb, gift. I didn't really know it was a verb. You can gift this to someone. What could you give to someone as a gift that will be surprising for them, be valuable for them, and be a bit, unexpected and potentially cherished because you see something in them where you think this could benefit? Now, if you're looking for a gift, and this is the part where you're going to think I'm self-serving here, and I am, but what if you gave them the gift of creating clarity? What if you gave them the gift of this workshop? Or I have a 3-day version. Give them the gift of that. But it's not just, hey, here you go. In the restaurant business, as in many businesses, but there's so much about the presentation. You go to a cheapy, junky joint and you get your steak frite. And it's on a plastic plate and you have crappy silverware and it's ugly and messy, right? Then pretend you get the exact same food, but it's in a nice place and it's decorated nicely and the plate looks good. Let's say it even costs the same, but it's the presentation. So how do you give this thing? Do you just say, hey, here's this thing, Joe. See ya, gotta go, bye. Yeah. Or if you take some heart, right, that would be a mind. Here, Joe, here's this thing, you'll love it, I swear. No, from your heart to give them something. What are you giving them? And if you have an idea of something to give, great. I'm trying to give you an idea of something to give. And I like giving the gift of creation because I think what this program does, what these 30 days do for you, is that it gives you a lifelong gift of creating. And hopefully that gives you clarity, courage, and confidence to go on and do more. So what if you were to give that gift to someone else? You probably have an idea of who might like it. That's my thought. Give whatever you like. That's my example gift, but give anything. Give something that is something really from you. And it's going to mean something to them. That's it for today. Give something. Give. It's an important word. See ya.